Is this my good side? Yeah. Yeah. Look, I think what makes Mornington sort of special too is you got people that have been here for over 50 years and that have seen the place change and grow. One of the things we've done with our indoor section is extended it. The old flares are back in, you know, indoor plants are back in. And with the Peninsula, you've got some stuff that's inland and then you've got the coast. So we have a wide range of coastal plants. We have your cottage gardens, we can cater for that. We've got all those bases covered. When you come here, I think it's a place not only you can get your plants, you can come here for 3 or 4 hours. You've got Expresso, our cafe, and you've got Tully's, which is a grocery store. When people come down with a couple photos, we help them design. It's very satisfying to see how excited they are to get in the garden and do the work. And when they come back and they show you the photos, it's definitely something that you get a kick out of.